Traders, what if I told you I made another 1% profit yesterday trading a super simple price action strategy? Well, if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, I'm going to show you exactly what I did. And also, I'm going to give you my trade ideas for today, where we're looking at yen pairs and US dollar pairs that are dropping like stones. But let's start with yesterday's trade and this simple strategy, okay? Now, as you can see, the trade that I took was pound US dollar sell. This is my entry, stop loss, take profit, okay? And I'm also letting 30% run on this trade, okay, to try and maximize profits. So that's the trade. Let's remove that and let's understand it, right? So all you need to know to make profits in the market is price action, okay? You need to learn how to read the charts. Now, daily gives me my direction. So if we look at the day chart, you can see we were in an uptrend until we broke that last low here. As soon as we break that low, we go from an uptrend to a downtrend, okay? So that was the first thing we need to be with. We need to be with daily trends. So we were looking to sell, right? Then if we zoom in, guys, what was once the support level, right? Once it retests here, becomes a very good resistance level, okay? And we can look to sell from there, right? So that was the daily direction. You need this before you do anything, right? Then we drop down to the H4, and these are the only two time frames I've been using, daily and H4. As simple as that, right? And then we just follow H4 structure and trend. Okay, now if we look at the H4, we was in this uptrend. Okay, it became a bit of a range. Okay, and then I look to sell at this area here. You can see that yellow line is where I entered. So why did I enter there? Well, we're in a H4 downtrend, and we was at a nice level of resistance. This gray zone is a level of resistance. Plus we was at the moving average 20 as well. So this was like double whammy resistance. Simply entered there, stop above here, take price back down to here, take 70% profit, okay? And then I'm gonna let 30% profit run. Simple as that, guys. All right, so if you would like to know this strategy and all of our strategies, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy, right? I give you all of my trade signals, all of my strategies, so come join the VIP Trading Academy. So yeah, there you go, guys. That was pound US dollar from yesterday. Now, if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, I'm also going to show you the trade ideas for today, and we're looking at a couple of pairs that are absolutely, you know, dropping like stones. So the catalyst for our trades today, let's start with Euro US dollar. Where are you? There you are. So the catalyst for our trades today is US dollar strength, okay, and Japanese yen strength, okay. These two currencies are strong and they are the catalyst for our trades today, right? So let's start with US dollar strength and let's look at Euro US dollar. Now, I see this as a structure break. Let's draw this gray zone out a little bit, okay? Because again, if we understand structure and trend, we were in an uptrend, come back down, hit this piece of support again, right? But now it's broken it. So for me, we are now in a downtrend. We are getting lower lows, okay? Downtrend, okay? We need to know that. Now we're going to drop down to the H4. Not only that, guys, sorry, let me point out that we have a very bearish candle as well, all right? And the idea is to take price back down to the next piece of support. It's as simple as that, guys. All right, if I zoom out, you can see this level through here has been good support and resistance, and that's my target for that reason. If we drop to the H4, we've got a really nice area where we want to sell from, right? That's all I'm doing, guys, getting daily direction and then dropping down to H4, even H1 to get levels that I would like to sell it from, right? And you can see Euro US dollar, we clearly have a level through here. It was once support. What I would like to see is it come back up. The moving average 20 catches up with us as well. We get a bearish reaction and then we can start selling from that level. All right, so that's Euro US dollar. I'm still interested in pound US dollar and this US dollar strength. So let's start with the day chart. Again, we already know this trade from yesterday, guys, right? We was in an uptrend and then bang, we broke down, come back to this support level, now resistance, and we've got a reaction, right? It's come down further. Now, I'm going to remove this target, this blue line, because that was my initial target. And that was because of this high here, right? But it's looking like this has more room to the downside. So my next target is going to be this last high right there, guys. Yeah. So this last high here is now my target, right? And this might coincide with the moving average 20. So this would be a good target. All right, we're in a downtrend. We look at the H4, we know that's coming down because I'm still in this trade for 30%, right? And just H4 structure, right, is in a downtrend, ranging, and then we're here so far. This is what the structure is of the market. We're sort of bouncing off the moving average 20, which we like. And all I want to see, guys, right here, is a little bit of a retrace, right? If we get a little bit of a retrace, you know, there's a bit of a level through here, right? Maybe to here, I will start entering because you've got the moving average 20. I will still hide my stop loss up here, right? Enter in here, and then I'll look to take price back down to here. All right, so pound US dollar, we're also looking to sell that because of the US dollar strength. And then, okay, we're looking at New Zealand US dollar, guys, but it's very oversold, right? If you look at the day chart, I still think this has room to move into, right? Again, understand structure. We're clearly in a downtrend. You don't need to be Warren Buffett to see that, but we're so oversold down here, right? So in fact, pound US dollar, euro US dollar are the better trades, but I still think New Zealand US dollar can come down further to this 5,900 level. So that's US dollar strength, guys. We're now going to look at Japanese yen strength. All right, but before I do, guys, if you would like to join a community of traders to share ideas, have a chit chat, then please come join our free Discord channel. Also, guys, if you would like more than that and you would like my trade signals, you would like access to all of my tutorials and strategies, and you would like direct access to me, then please come join our VIP Trading Academy. And finally, guys, if you would like discounts and entry into these things, then you can sign up with one of our preferred brokers. Check it all out. It's all in the video description. Also, don't forget to join us for the live stream today, 8 a.m. New York EST time. We'll look at the live charts. We'll look at these trades. Right, yen pairs, the first one. So the thing with yen pairs is, guys, some of them are super oversold, right? So the ones I'm looking at are Swiss franc yen, which is still a little oversold, right? And these moves might not retrace. Okay, so if we look at Swiss franc yen, this is the day chart, right? We had this channel going up here, and ever since that's broke, we've been in a downtrend, right? And yesterday's candle just confirmed that, right? It broke all of these lows. That is a confirmation of a downtrend. We're clearly below the moving average 20, nice big bearish candle. We're looking for sells just back down to this 173.50 psychological level, you know, and this next piece of potential support here. So we've got a bit of room to move into, about 50 pips. The problem with this is will we get a retrace? Right, you can see yen pairs are absolutely storming down, right? Dropping like stones. Now, There's this area here, which we'll look more closely on the H1. I mean, in an ideal world, guys, I get price retrace up, we get a deep retrace, potentially all the way up to this grey zone would be very nice, right? Moving average 20 catches up, we get a nice bearish reaction in here, and we can start looking for sells, right? But because it's just dropping like a stone, we can look to the H1. Right, and if we look to the H1, guys, there's this area in here. We've got some sort of movement in price here. So if price retraces into here, we've got the moving average 20, get a bearish reaction. We can also start selling from there, guys. All right, so Swiss franc yen sells. And then the final pair I'm looking at today is pound yen. Again, if we start with the day chart, because we need to understand trend. And also, guys, I need to put in a target here. And all I'm going to aim for is the next psychological level, right? This 199.52. Okay, because you can see price has reacted here previously, and this would be a good target. These yen pairs, is worth pointing out, is a little bit oversold. Yeah, look at the moving average 20, a little bit oversold, but we've got such a lot of selling pressure behind this trade. And, obviously you need to understand trend. And we are in a downtrend, clearly, right? Lower highs, lower lows. So we're looking for sells. All right, if we drop to the H4, again, in an ideal world, I would like a retrace back up to here, right? Okay, price comes back up to here, moving average 20 catches up, we get a nice bearish reaction, we can take price lower, right? But again, because it's such a bearish drop that we're experiencing, I will also consider on the H1 a retrace into this zone, right? Moving average 20 catches up, we get a bearish reaction, and again, we can start selling pound yen. All right, guys, so if you've enjoyed my trade ideas, please subscribe to the channel and smash the notification button and smash the like button. Check out all the promos and everything we've got running at the moment, guys. Have a great trading day, and I'll see you later for the live stream. Adios.